guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're on Bloxburg and I'm going to get adopted, so yeah. I know it's like dark in the background here. That's because I'm in bed right now. Because I need to check what time it is on my iPad. It is 5:32 right now. Just ignore that, and we're gonna get adopted now. Just bouncing on the pin tag and the mailbox. Which child of team? And guys, I've also got a trick for you. Let's go into build mode a minute. So let's get rid of this. Let's get that, and then we need a table like that, and then we need to like this. We're gonna need. Sorry guys, I'm really quiet. And also, we're going to need one of these. And guys, if you, so this is, oh wait, no, you need something else in the appliances, you need that. And this actually helps you, so if I go here, I go to mood, and then if you watch here guys, just keep like spamming it pretty much, and then your energy will go up fast, and your hygiene will go up, and then for hunger, you can put a fridge down, and you can put some food in it, or you can get a basket, and that has food in. I prefer the basket, so I don't think you have to pay, but yeah. So, hygiene's almost to 100, 3, 2, 1, there we go. And then, right here, yeah, you need a chair, don't you, so you need to go back into building for a basket anyway. So if we go to chairs, one there. Okay. I'm not sure where it is. I think it's in garden. Nope. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in decorations. Can't see it, but there's a fruit bowl here that you can use as well. I'm sure it's in here. No, it's not in here. Let's just get a like bowl. Where's it gone? I think it's in up here. don't know what it's done, because you can... Oh, there we go. And then your phone goes up quick. Sorry guys, my laptop keeps all my friend K-Berry is on the game. Sorry guys, I'll move this view. Right there. Okay, our fun is at 100 now. And just take food and keep eating. Because if you have around the money that I have, you will be able to afford this stuff. And it goes up 10 at a time, I believe. Yeah. I always get really hungry when I work. And then when you come to here, I click work, go to work. Guys, the best job to do, like the most paid job, is a delivery person. Oh, it's a bit lighter now because of the screen. Anyways. Oh, now it's gone darker. Let's just get this. Currently on this job, I am level 8. 8. Wait, let me just find it quick. And I've gone the wrong way. Oh, skills, here it is. Oh no, it's not this one. I don't know where it is, I can't find it. Whoa. Anyways, it says here that I'm level 8, and that's the highest level on jobs I am. So we're just gonna do this for a little bit, for about 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Or I should say 2 to 3 minutes, more sense. But yeah. Oh, we've got another customer. Which is this girl, Guys, I'm not sure what level. Yeah? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna go get my dinner. I won't be late. Yeah. Oh no, not. Come in. I'm recording a YouTube video on today. Okay guys, I just got some pasta. This is actually really nice pasta. Okay. Pasta's touching my earphones. Guys, I know it's probably been like 2 to 3 minutes, but I had to get my dinner. This pasta that my mum makes really nice. It's way too hot at the moment, so I'm just going to do this delivery. Guys, may be thinking, if you can see it anyway, why am I sitting like on my knee? That don't look comfortable. It isn't, but if I put my knee down, it will go into my pasta. So, and I'm really hungry. So, wait, it didn't give me the pizza. I'm also going to ask if someone can donate a little bit of money so I can, what's it called? Yeah, so I can save up for a new house. So when I get to 100k, I'm going to be building a mansion. Guys, right here. Guys, on this thing that I just got, you're only allowed to record 15 minutes. So, oh wait, no, my laptop's getting hot, it's got to come on my legs. And guys, I just want to say one quick thing. Subscribe to PewDiePie, unsubscribe from the T-Series. The Battle of Pewds versus T's. P's and T's. I think this cooled down a little bit, but. Okay, $947. And ask Star Collabs if they can donate me just a little bit of money. February 5. Oh, bless me. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, shout out to someone I've known for quite a long time. Sile Blaze. If you search his name up on YouTube, I'm not sure if it will come up or not, but you can try it. Go subscribe to him. He's helped me out. He's helped me get money on this game. And also, guys, I know another trick, but I can't actually do it. So you need an alt for it, and I don't have any alts that have Robux, so you can't buy access to this. But I will be able to soon, and then I can just keep getting money. So basically, on your alt, if it's just like a star alt, what you can do is you can sell the starter house and give it to your other thing, then you can just keep restarting, selling it again, getting money, selling it to your main account, and then just keep repeating that, and it helps out a lot for me. Okay, so right now we're at 36,604. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on to know or be the first when I make a video, and yeah, I guess. Alright, what's that? Oh no, sorry. But I guess, peace out and bye.